Chapter 141. Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile. North Carolina, western Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina, central Florence County in northeastern South Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northwestern Horry County in northeastern South Carolina, Marion County in northeastern South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., showers producing strong wind gusts were located along a line extending from near Antioch to Dillon to near Blue Brick, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. At 5:53 p.m. the Florence Airport reported a gust of 58 miles per hour. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lumberton, Marion, Dillon, Whiteville, Mullins, Elizabethtown, Red Springs, Pembroke, Fairmont, Tabor City, St. Paul's, Chebourn, Bladen Morrow, Latta, Pamplico, Roland, Fair Bluff, Lakeview, Sellers, and Boardman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. Wind damage with these storms will occur before any rain or lightning. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before taking cover. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The following is a special weather statement for the following county.